Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day. It's Thursday, but when you're watching this video, it will not be Valentine's Day. I just wanted to say it because it is today. All right, so today we are going to be talking about the February unboxing of the Lashybox. I did one last month and I really enjoyed the lashes, so I decided to continue with the subscription. And what Lashybox is a monthly subscription. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes as well as maybe 2 or 3 other items that they vary, but you do get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes as well as some other things in the box. But I really did enjoy last month's box, so again, that's why I kept the subscription, and I'm very excited and anxious to see what's in this month's box. And before we get started, there will be a tutorial on this look that will be up sometime next week. And your girl is wearing a wig. I know I'm not wearing it as good as a lot of you girls out here, but I actually only put the wig on today because I washed my hair and I did do a little twist out, and my hair is really wet, and I just twisted it and put it in a cap and threw it up under the wig. So once I'm done with the video, because I've already gone out to dinner for Valentine's Day with my hubby, it's a little later in the evening because he's now relaxing because he does have to go to work. He works 3rd shift, so we went out to dinner a little early and now he's relaxing and I'm doing this video, and once it's over I am done for the day. I've already did like 3 videos today too, but anywho, so you'll see me in this shirt and this hair and this makeup for a couple videos, just to let you know, okay? Now, before we get into the unboxing of the Lashybox, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell so you never miss an upload, like and comment, and don't forget to share, please. Please, please, please share the video too. All right. Well, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, this is the box, and this is, you know, the regular standard box. And here we go. Gotta open it. All right. Oh, and this is what it looks like when you open it. All right, the card is on top. Let's be friends at lashybox.co. Facebook.com is Lashybox. And here we go. That's the card. All right, and so the first thing on top is, of course, a pair of lashes. Jackie loves silk lashes, and these are in the style Bay. Those are cute. I like them. I actually got on a pair of lashes from my Boxy Lux from Boxy Lux. Oh my God, Tanika, what the hell? All right, I'm sorry. I actually got on a pair of lashes from my Lashbox subscription from last month. These ones are, what are these? These ones are the Athena lashes, and they are in the style Myra. This is what the box looks like, and yeah, these are the ones that I have on. These came in the box from last month. I really like these. They're pretty. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that glow too, honey. Look at it. Even though I had this makeup on a while, it still looks pretty good. Still looks pretty good. Yeah, yo. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I like these lashes. They're nice. And with their lashes, they can be worn up to 10 times is what it says. So isn't that exciting? Yes, it is. But I have other lashes like that as well. But yeah, anywho, so yeah, that's the first pair. The second pair I see is also Jackie Loves Silk Lashes, and they are in the style Buttercup. Very nice, very nice. Buttercup. Yes. Now these ones are more my style. Look at that flare up on there. Very flary and very long. These ones that are Bay, they more on the natural side. See? I mean, they're long. Not super long, but they're more on the natural side for my liking. But I'll still wear them, you know. I wear natural as well. But look at these things. These things are curled up to the heavens, and they touch my damn eyes. That's what I like. Feel like spider webs up on your thing. All right. The next pair we have here are candy lashes. And let's see. These are taffy. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and thick, thick. Woo-wee. Very luxurious. Y'all see that? You see how I review products? Tanika is the shit, for real. I be reviewing the hell out of these products, don't I? Yes, I do. See, people need to give me a job and review some stuff, because I tell you, this is what I like to do. Anyway, and we have another pair here. These are Ruby May Premium 3D Lashes. And this is in the style LA. LA. Is that a L? Yeah, LA. LA. And that's what they look like. Very nice as well. Very nice. Very long. Very long. Very flare. Yes. Yes. Ooh, yes. I like this hair. I'm sorry, I'm all off topic, but I like this hair. It's very nice. I like this wig, baby. Yeah, I don't have no baby hairs and stuff because, you know, I told you on another video, I don't do baby hair. I would normally put some gel or hair, edge control and slick them edges back, but because my hair is underneath getting dry and stuff, I'm not going to do that. So, yeah. But still, I look good, honey. I look good. Laura Lee Los Angeles highlight. Sugar and spice. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with me. I had a little at dinner, so you know. All right, anyway, and the next thing I see in here is a Maybelline Eye Studio Sea Sprite. Or is that Spirit? My eyes ain't right. Sea Sprite. Yeah, I know how to read. Anyway, it looks like this. It's a little Maybelline eyeshadow quad. These are all shimmer colors. They're pretty though. If I didn't have my eyes done, I would try them out for you. But yeah, this is cute. Let me see. Let me take my little brush and let's see here. Just gonna try with my Sigma E58 brush here and just, I don't know why I'm using a brush when I could just use my hand, but that's the green. Oh, I got a little brush with it. But anyway, that's the green right there. That's a pretty green. I'm gonna take the other side and do the next color, which is the light green. That's pretty too. That's pretty. Let me take my little quick change. See, this is a little quick change brush cleaner. You just rub the brush up in here. I got this from shopmissa.com for $1. You just wipe the brush all up in there on this sponge and it cleans the color off. Oh yeah. See, look at that. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. And then we're going to go in with the next color, which is this yellow color right here. Let's put that one right about here. See, that's pretty. That's pretty too. It's light. You know, these colors are buildable. So, you know, when you put them on your eye, that's going to show up a little better. You know, and plus that's just one little swipe, just for a little swatch. You could also use that as a brow bone highlight. Yeah. All right. And then I'm going to take the other side of the brush and go into this white color here, or creamy color right there, and let's put that one right here. See, there you go. See, yeah, these colors are buildable. I mean, they're shimmery, not a matte color in sight, which, you know, they should have, but you know, they do what they want to do. They the experts. But yeah, all right, so that's that in there. I will clean that off later. All right, and the next thing I see here is eyelash glue. They always put a you know, a little sample eyelash glue in the box too. So there's a little eyelash glue, and ooh, y'all, we got a treat here. This is Crown brushes. Look, full size 5 brushes. These are eye brushes too. Ooh, little rose gold color here, little rose gold. Yes, baby, yes. These are nice though. Look at that. 5 brushes too. See, look at that. This is a nice box this month. Oh, something else. Oh, I think it's a little case to put your little brushes in. You put your case up in here. Your case. You put your brushes in here, or you can put anything. But I'm pretty sure this is probably a little. You put your the brushes in here. I'm pretty sure. I mean, you can put whatever you want in here. You know. Yeah, but look at that. Those brushes go right up in there. Don't make me look crazy. Go. Okay. Oh, that's cute, man. Oh, this box is great. It's even better than last month. Yeah, this was a little the little brush that was in the palette, the Maybelline palette that fell out. Well, I ain't gonna never use it, so I'll take that out. But yeah, so that was the box, everybody. So you get 4 pairs of luxury lashes, some glue, an eyeshadow palette. We got some brushes and a brush holder. All right, a brush pouch, whatever you want to call it. This box was great this month. This box was great. I really like it. That was such a great box. I really, really like this box. Like I said, I like this box better than last month, although last month was great too. I'm so excited for this subscription. Man, I love it, and I've tried quite a few subscriptions, but I like this one. So, yeah, I really like it. Alrighty, so if you are interested, definitely go to lashbox.com and lashbox.co and sign up for one of their subscription boxes. Choose whichever one you like and start getting your own. All right, thank you everybody. That's the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.